A 5-gram bullet leaves the muzzle of a rifle with a speed of 320 meters per second. What total force, assumed constant, is exerted on the bullet while it is traveling down the 1 meter long barrel of the rifle? So, una, kailangan natin gawin ay kunin natin yung mga given parameters doon sa problem. So, una, meron tayong mass, which is equal yung mass natin sa 5 grams. And then, we have the initial velocity of the bullet, which is equal to 0. So, bakit ba 0 yung initial velocity natin? 0 siya kasi bago sumabog o pumuslit ang bala sa baril, nakahinto ito. Ibig sabihin, at rest ito. Kaya, yung ating initial velocity ay equal sa 0. Tapos, meron tayong final velocity na equal sa 320 meter per second at given din sa yung distance which is equal to 1 meter. So in this problem, we are asked to calculate the total force, and based on the definition of the second law of motion, force is equal to the product of mass and acceleration. So in this case, we have the value of mass, which is 5 grams, but unfortunately, the problem did not give the exact measurement of the acceleration. So that's why kailangan pa natin kunin yung ating acceleration by using kinematic equation. And that is final velocity squared is equal to initial velocity squared plus twice the product of acceleration and distance. So in this case, we have final velocity squared minus initial velocity squared. So, bakit naging minus po ito? Kasi tinranspose po natin siya from right going to left. So, we have to change the sign from positive to negative. Equal to 2ax. So, since tayo ay interested na makuha yung ating acceleration, i-divide natin siya both side by 2x. So, we can cancel out 2x leaving us with acceleration. So ngayon, acceleration is equal to final velocity squared minus initial velocity squared divided by 2x. So let's plug in the values. So we have 320 meter per second squared minus 0 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 meter. So in this case, ang acceleration po natin ay 5.12 times 10 raised to positive 4 meter per second squared. So dahil meron na po tayong value ng acceleration, pwede po natin itong i-substitute dito sa formula natin ng force. So first, kailangan po natin i-substitute yung ating mass, pero yung mass po natin, i-convert po natin siya sa kilogram kasi naka-CGS unit po siya. So, dapat kailangan i-convert natin siya sa SI unit. Okay po? So, ang SI unit ng ating mass ay kilogram. So, sa isang kilogram, meron pong 1,000 grams. So, for mass, we have 5 times 1 divided by 1,000 gram. So, in this case, i-substitute natin yung acceleration na 5.12 times 10 raised to 4 meter per second squared, and then canceled out grams, leaving us with kilogram. And then, let's multiply it to 5.12 times 10 raised to 4 meter per second squared. So, the total force is equal to 256 Newton.